How to fix Windows not recognizing USB device issue. To fix Windows not recognizing USB device, try 1. Restart your PC. 2. Try a different computer. 3. Plug out other USB devices. 4. Change the power management setting for the USB root hub. 5. Update the USB port driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Change power supply setting by unchanged decking, turn on fast start up in control panel. 7. Change the USB selective suspend settings by disabling on battery and plug-in settings.